Reading. Doesn't it seem like a tough job? I'm not a voracious reader, but I have read a few novels written by C.S. Lewis and Rick Riordan. Although I can tell you with utmost confidence that you do not need to read a plethora of books to crack the IELTS reading test. I am Stanley Burgess Shaji from Teachers Academy. I am going to give you an introduction on the IELTS reading test. Let's get started. Before we proceed, we need to understand the difference between IELTS academic and IELTS general training. The reading test conducted in both these exams are somewhat similar. The content may be different, but the format is the same. You have 1 hour to complete the answers. You have a total of 40 questions with 3 sections in total. What you need to understand is that each questions carry 1 mark. Spelling is very important for your IELTS reading module. Each spelling mistake can count as a wrong word. Hyphenated words such as antivirus, antiviral are all counted as one word. So spelling is very important for your IELTS reading test. Let me share with you 3 basic strategies to crack your IELTS reading test. Now, time management is very important. For time management, you need to understand that for part A, it takes 15 minutes, for part B, 20 minutes, and for part C, you need to take 25 minutes. Now, as the test progresses, the difficulty level also increases. So compared to part C, part A is much easy. So try to use only around 10 to 15 minutes for your part A and go on so forth. But be careful on your part C, as this is the toughest part of your exam. So you need exactly 25 minutes to complete your part C. So time management is very important. Secondly, skim read the passage. You don't have to read every word and every sentence of the passage. Just identify the keywords. The keywords can sometimes help you to find the key to your answers. Skim reading the passage also allows you to find the correct answer quickly. If you got a dictionary and you have to find one word, you wouldn't read the entire dictionary, would you? So skim reading is another technique to crack your IELTS reading test. Lastly, make sure to read the questions carefully. Some questions can confuse you. For example, instead of writing yes or no, you may write true or false. In such cases, your answer will be counted as a wrong answer. So it's always important to read your questions thoroughly before starting your exam. As the final part of this video, I want to discuss to you about the reading task types. There are about 5 reading task types that you need to know about. First, yes, no, not given. In these questions, you may be asked about a specific scenario or a situation where you have to give the answer yes, no, or not given. Secondly, true, false, not given. Here, you may be asked about specific topics, opinions, views, or beliefs. It's important to understand each and every question so you can answer clearly. Third are the MCQs. MCQs means multiple choice questions. You may be given 3 or sometimes even 4, sometimes 5 options. It depends on every material. It will be easy for you to do it once you understand the passage properly. Next is match the following questions. For match the following questions, there are a variety of them. Matching headings, matching information to paragraphs, matching features, matching sentence endings. Just be aware of them so that you can crack the match the following questions easily. Finally, fill in the blanks questions. For fill in the blanks questions, there is again a variety of them. Sentence completion, summary, table completion, flowchart, diagram completion. So now I have given you a basic idea about how to crack your IELTS reading test. With these tips, I'm sure that you will be able to start your practice now. Read, read, and read. In this way, you can surely crack the IELTS reading in the most colorful way. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.